Geobyte.
Hello students, welcome to GeoByte. In the previous class, we discussed about question number 1 and 2 from exercise 2.3. And today, let us see question number 3 and 4. By the rule of multiplication of a fraction, product of a fraction is equals to product of numerators by product of denominators. Now let us see third question. Multiply the following fraction. First one, 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. The given question consists of mixed fraction, that is 5 1 by 4. So first convert the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 1 by 4 is equals to 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21. So 21 by 4. Now 2 by 5 into 21 by 4. By the rule of multiplication of a fraction, product of fraction is equals to product of numerators by product of denominators. So product of numerators. Numerators we are having 2 and 21. So 2 into 21 by product of denominators. In denominators we are having 5 4. So 5 into 4. Now here, so 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now we will get 1 into 21 by 5 into 2, which is equals to 1 into 21 is 21 by 5 twos are 10 by 10. Now we can convert this 1 into mixed fraction by dividing with 10. 10 twos are 20 and the remainder is 1. So you can write it as, so here quotient is 2, so 2 and the remainder is 1, so 1 by denominator is 10. So 2 1 by 10. So the result of 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4 is 2 1 by 10. Next, second question. 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. So first convert the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 2 by 5. So 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32 is equals to 32 by 5. Now 32 by 5 into 7 by 9, which is equals to product of numerators. 32 into 7 by product of denominators. Denominators is 5 into 9, which is equals to 32 into 7 is 224 by 5 nines are 45. Now we can write this one in the form of mixed fraction. So by dividing 224 with 45. So 45 fours are 180 and we'll get the remainder as 44. So which is equals to, quotient is 4 and the remainder is 44 by denominator is 45. So 444 by 45. The result of 6 2 by 5 into 7 by 9 is 444 by 45. Next, third question. 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. First convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Five 1 by 3, which is equals to 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. So 16 by 3. Now 3 by 2 into 16 by 3. Product of fraction is equals to product of numerators. So 3 into 16 by product of denominators 2 into 3, which is equals to, here in numerator we are having 3, in denominator also we are having 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. Again in denominator we are having 2 ones are, here 16, 2 8s are 16. So what we'll get, 1 into 8 by 1. 1 into 1, which is equals to 1 8s are 8 by 1. 8 by 1 is nothing but 8. So the result of 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3 is 8. Next, fourth question. 5 by 6 into 2 3 by 7. So here given question consists of mixed fraction. So we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 2 3 by 7 is equals to 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17 by 7. Now 5 by 6 into 17 by 7, which is equals to, by the rule of multiplication of a fraction is product of numerators. Product of numerators 5 into 17 by product of denominators 6 into 7, which is equals to 5 17s are 85 by 6 7s are 42, which is equals to, so 85 42. So 42 2s are 84 and the remainder is 1. So we can write it as 2 1 by denominator is 42. So 42. So 2 1 by 42. The result of 5 by 6 into 2 3 by 7 is 2 1 by 42. Next, fifth question. 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. So here the given question is consists of mixed fraction. So we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 3 2 by 5 is equals to 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. 17 by 5. Now 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. So by the rule of multiplication of a fraction is product of numerators. So 17 into 4 by product of denominators. Denominators is 5 into 7. So which is equals to 68, that is 17 4s are 68 by 5 7s are 35. So which is equals to, so 68 is divisible by 35. So 35 ones are, so 35 and the remainder is 33. So quotient is 1, remainder is 33 by denominator is 35. So 133 by 35. So the result of 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7 is 133 by 35. Next, sixth question. 2 3 by 5 into 3. So this is a mixed fraction. So we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 2 3 by 5 is equals to 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 by 5. So now we will get 13 by 5 into 3. So here denominator nothing is there, so we can write it as 1, so which is equal. So by the rule of multiplication of a fraction, so first what we need to do, we need to perform product of numerators by product of denominators. So product of numerators 13 into 3 by product of denominators 5 into 1, so which is equals to 13 into 3 is 39 by 5 ones are 5. Now here we are having 39 by 5. So 5 sevens are 35 and the remainder is 4. So we can write quotient is 7 and here remainder is 4 and denominator is 5. So 7 4 by 5. So the result of 2 3 by 5 into 3 is 7 4 by 5. Next, seventh question. 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. So first we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 4 by 7 is equal to 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25 by 7. Now 25 by 7 into 3 by 5, which is equals to, so by the rule of multiplication of a fraction is product of numerators by product of denominators. So product of numerators is 25 into 3 by product of denominators 7 into 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So which is equals to 5 into 3 by 7 into 1, which is equals to 5 threes are 15 by 7. So 15 by 7. 7 twos are 14 and remainder is 1. So quotient is 2 and remainder is 1 and the denominator is here is 7. So 2 1 by 7. So the result of 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5 is 2 1 by 7. Fourth question, which is greater? First question, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So the given question consists of two fractions. So we need to identify which fraction is greater. So first we'll consider first part, that is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, which is equals to, so here 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, here half indicates that multiplication. So 2 by 7 into 3 by 4, which is equals to, so by the rule of multiplication of a fraction is product of numerators, that is 2 into 3 by product of denominators. Denominators is 7 into 4. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, which is equals to 1 into 3 by 7 into 2, which is equals to 1 threes are 3s by 7 twos are 14. Let us consider it as equation number 1. Next, second part, 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Again, half indicates that it's a multiplication. So 3 by 5 into 5 by 8, which is equals to, so by the rule of multiplication of a fraction is product of numerators, that is 3 into 5 by product of denominators 5 into 8. So here 5 get cancelled, so we get 3 into 1 by 1 into 8. 3 ones are 3, 1 8s are 8. This is the equation number 2. Now Convert 1 and 2 into like fractions. LCM of, here in denominator we are having 14 and here we are having 8. So we need to find the LCM of 14 comma 8 is 56. So LCM of 14 comma 8 is 56. Now let us change each of the given fraction into an equivalent fraction having 56 as the denominator. So 3 by 14 is the first equation result, 3 by 14, right? So 3 by 14 in 3 by 14. So we need to get the remainder as 56. So what we need to do? We need to multiply 14 with certain number. So what is that number? 14 fours are 56. So we need to perform multiplication with 4 in the numerator as well as in the denominator, which is equals to multiplication of a fraction is product of numerators, that is 3 into 4 by product of denominators 14 into 4, which is equals to 3 fourths are 12 by 56. Now this is the result of first one, and second one is we're having 3 by 8. 3 by 8 into, in denominator also we need to get the 56 for second one. So 8 sevens are 56. So in numerator we need to multiply with 7 and in denominator also we need to multiply with 7, which is equals to 3 into 7 by 8 into 7, which is equals to 21. 3 sevens are 21 by 8 sevens are 56. Now based on these two, we can clearly say that 12 by 56 is less than 21 by 56. 12 by 56 is less than 21 by 56. Hence, we can say that 3 by 14 is less than 3 by 8. So 3 by 14 is less than 3 by 8. So 3 by 14 is the result of which one? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, and 3 by 8 is the result of 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So which one is greater? 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? So here the greater one is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is the greater. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Second question. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7, which is greater? So first we need to find the result of 1 by 2 of 6 by 7, which is equals to 1 by 2 of indicates that it's a multiplication. So 1 by 2 into 6 by 7. So which is equals to, by the rule of multiplication of a fraction is product of numerators by product of denominators. So product of numerators is 1 into 6 by product of denominators. So 2 into 7. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 into 3 by 1 into 7. So 1 threes are 3 by 1 sevens are 7. Let us consider this as equation number 1. Now, second one is 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. So of indicates that it's a multiplication. So 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. So by the rule of multiplication of a fraction is product of numerators. So 2 into 3 by product of denominators, 3 into 7. In numerator we are having 3 and denominator also we are having 3. So we'll write it as 2 into 1 by 1 into 7, which is equals to 2 ones are 2 by 1 sevens are 7. So which is the equation number 2. So by comparing by comparing 1 and 2, clearly we can say that 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. So, based on this, we can say that 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. So we can say that 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.